Hey guys, what is up? This is Patrick with Alpha Pack Off-Road, and we are back at it with the Ranger build. And as you can see, it is not in the shop anymore. We are out on a trail. So I'm going to go through real quick what we got here. If y'all been following the build, you knew the engine had to be rebuilt, training had to be pulled out, put back in. A lot of things have been done. So we've got the mud flaps installed, the CVT boxes on, all the A-arms, the lift kit right here, 4-inch bracket lift. Everything's back on, greased up, ready to go. And I put that Black Rhino PTO crank seal protector whenever I put the inner cover on, and so you know that thing works amazing. It takes place of that squishy seal that goes in there, and you don't need that. Silicone it up and you should be good to go and not worry about a bunch of belt material getting in the seal in there. Here's the mud flaps I told y'all about. I ended up taking all the bolts out and matching them up, but it'll keep all the mud from getting back up in there. Bed is back on now, as you can see. Went pretty easily with that electric pallet jack we have. So that's back on. I was over here cutting a tree limb off this trail here just now, but it's running good. It sounds good, it's shifting good, everything's good. And we're gonna jump and do a little ride. Yeah guys, that 4-inch lift made a huge difference. It used to squat a lot in the back. It looks way better now, as you can see. I don't know, let me know what y'all think. All I'm missing now is the bumpers. I have them in the shop. They're gonna be painted again. And I will throw the front and rear bumper I have that I made from a Jeep Warren bumper and mock it up to this. So that's what's going to be going on here, is the Jeep rear bumper. It fits up good. Let's see. All right, let's hop in her and see what she does. This has been a long time coming to get this thing out of the shop. It's been in the shop for, let me set this down real quick, guys. It's been in the shop for a year now.